If we want to say we want to rank this formula into first, second, third position, you want to know who is first, you want to know who came out, second. So you come here, you double tap, you go on equal sign, and then you click on the rank EQ. Don't forget, double tap, and then you come here and then click on the first number. After the first number, or after the first number numerical detail there, you click on a comma, and then you click the entire row of data that you want to rank. Okay, you click the first number, the first position there, and then you then put a comma, and then you click the entire rows and hit enter. You see, this gives you see Sharon took first, Felicita took first as well, because they had identical total scores. So this is it this way, although it won't appear like this for you, because like I said before, mine is a bit different. You see, it will appear like this, but this is the first person, and then you just take it down, you just hit it, or you drag down. I did something different just now, I know. So you drag down, and then we are good. So this status to know if they passed or not. So in this status, you can use the if function. These I will explain